That's right, Nick. These 133 pages could give terminally ill Victorians the right to end their life by the end of this year. The Parliament has just disbanded, and Victorian Minister for Health Jill Hennessy today introduced the Voluntary Assisted Dying Bill. What it does is it gives any Victorian who is above 18 years of age and considered to be of sound mind, which means that they can take their own decisions, the right to end their life if they are terminally ill and expected to die within the next 12 months. Let's talk a little about the process. It will follow a three-step process. The first is that the patient writes a formal and explicit request to a medical practitioner stating that they cannot tolerate their suffering anymore. The practitioner will then have 7 days to review this request. If they choose to pursue it, it will then go to a second health professional, medical professional, who will then make their independent review. If the application is successful, the terminally ill patient will be given a permit to self-administer a lethal substance that will cause death. Now, Nick, this is quite literally a matter of life and death we are talking about here, and so the bill does have 68 safeguards to ensure that nobody is coerced into choosing death and there is no unethical use of the bill. One of them is that doctors are strictly prohibited from suggesting this as a measure to their patients. This includes showing them any brochures. They can't even do that. The bill has faced some opposition from Liberal MPs and in what is being called a Right to Live campaign. Early this month, Liberal MPs organized a parliamentary briefing by a controversial US academic named Professor William Toffler. Now, what Professor Toffler says is that giving doctors the right to take life is a massive conflict of interest. In fact, he has equated assisted dying with assisted suicide. It is also worth noting that Premier Andrews was initially not in favor of this bill, but late last year he issued a video statement saying that he had had a change of mind after he saw his father pass away from cancer. Discussion on the bill is adjourned till the 18th of October, but the Parliament is hoping for it to pass a conscience vote by the end of this year. Back to you, Nick.